Shahid Jaykrishna Mahapatra Rajguru, who was born in 1739 in Puri district of Odisha, is supposed to be the first martyr in India's freedom struggle against the Britishers. Sir, he is not only a strategist, he was not only a visionary, he was not only a guerrilla warfare by organizing paikas from each and every family of the Odisha princely state at that point of a time. The Britishers saw him, Joy Rajguru is the greatest threat to their nefarious design. Sir, he waged a guerrilla warfare against the Britishers and won the war. And the Britishers saw that he is going to pose a greatest threat, and subsequently they arrested him. When they arrested him and produced before the court of their law, the court said that you are the man who is responsible for waging a war against the Britishers. He had the courage to say so. He said that the king is not responsible. It is me who is responsible for this nefarious design. And the way he was killed, no human mind in a civilized world can think of, sir. He was tied, his two legs were tied to a 400-year-old banyan tree by bringing two branches, and the branches were let off, causing a complete vertical split of his body. That is the most inhuman treatment the Britishers have given to a hero from Odisha, sir. History has chosen to forget him, such a great hero who has contributed to the Indian freedom struggle. So my demand before the Union government is that let the place, the Medinipur in my Baleshwar constituency where he was killed, be declared as a place of national importance and a historic importance, and infrastructure be created to commemorate the great hero of the Indian freedom struggle.